Everybody, it's David Cinelli.
And Ariana and I.
And we're talking Fast Talk Fridays.
Yep.
So, what's your topic today?
Today we're just going to talk about changes we're seeing in the market. Again, I know we've done a few videos on this, but today we're going to talk about days on the market specifically.
Yeah, so in the past, earlier this year, actually the last year and a bit, a house hit the market, they would list at a certain price, we'd have an offer date. Sometimes the house would sell before the offer date, we got a bully offer or a preemptive offer. But chances are on the day of offer, unless the sellers were like a little unrealistic of the price of the market, things were selling, and they're selling fast for more money than sellers can expect.
Yeah.
Things changed in about March. So yeah, things changed a
It's
lot.
taking a little bit longer, but just because a place isn't selling in a week, it doesn't mean it's not going to sell. It might just take a little bit longer to find the right buyer.
Yeah, so if you didn't know or aware of what's going on, there's a number of factors why the market has changed here in the GTA. There was obviously the Ukrainian war happened. We saw inflation increase, so therefore we started increasing interest rates, and there's more inventory on the market. Back in January, February, we had like the lowest inventory we had in decades, and there was like a fighting frenzy. Everything was selling, it was nuts. Obviously things have changed, so yeah, so now what we're noticing, we were talking before, houses that are listed low and having quote unquote bidding war or having an offer date, only about maybe 25 to 40% of the selling on the offer date. It's not happening very often. If you are selling the offer date, you have to be super aggressive in the pricing, price plan 20% below, if not more, to bring people in. Yeah. And the other thing to see is like when houses are sitting, there's a couple of our clients, houses are sitting on the market, or we're looking at houses to see what their house is worth. How long they're sitting? Like weeks?
Yeah, weeks. There's some we've seen for over a month, two months. Yeah.
So it's a good indication that the market has changed, and there's no reason to panic. Obviously, too. Like that's the thing. This is a normal market. People now, buyers can go in, and this just if you're buying, it's good for you because now you can put conditions in there, which also helps. So like a financing condition, making sure you can afford the house. That's a big one. Do a home inspection. So believe it or not, and it's actually good for the sellers as well. So granted, if you were sold in February, you would have got more money, but sometimes if you sold it for too high and the bank appraisal came in and it was lower, the bank evaluated much lower than what the price you paid, sometimes houses weren't closing.
Yeah.
So at least this way we know that prices are closing, the price that you are getting for your home, there's less risk of the house being valued overpriced and not selling and not closing and causing so much panic.
Well said.
Yeah. So welcome this. it's actually a really still a good market, and it's still a buyer's. Still a seller's market. I almost said buyer's market. It's not a buyer's market by any stretch.
Yeah, on the way there. But
yeah, close to an equilibrium market, I would say. But yeah. All right, guys. If you have any questions for us, please feel free to reach out.
Thanks.
Bye.